Hi, this is Nina with ForeignMRE.com, and I am here with, what's your name again, sir? Oh, yes, I'm here with Art.
Hi, guys. Hope everyone's doing well tonight.
Okay, and in this video, we are going to draw winner for the chicken...
Pesto pasta.
Yeah, the Tasting the American Chicken Pesto Pasta video that we posted on April 8th. And the gist of that video was that in the comment section, you were to write Art plus the last initial of your YouTube channel. But before we draw the winner...
What if it ended in a number?
Well, if it ended in a number, then you would write Art plus the last number in your YouTube name. Before we do the drawing, congratulations to the ForeignMRE channel. I heard that you've got over 1,500 subscribers now.
Me?
Yes, you know, I don't do a whole lot of work with YouTube. That is your baby.
Yeah, that was many hours of networking. Whew, man.
And you're still doing many hours of networking too.
Spent several hours today networking.
So you get a bell, and yay for you.
Did I get confetti?
You don't get confetti because you didn't win a prize. You only get confetti when you win a prize.
Oh, can we pause this? I forgot to put a comment.
No, no, you cannot pause it. No.
I just thought about that.
No comment. You're not eligible to win, so no comment.
Okay, so let's go to the contest.
Let's go to the contest.
That's why everybody's here.
Yeah.
They don't want to listen to us.
Well, no.
I don't want to listen to you either.
What?
Well.
What?
Yeah, well.
Wait till we finish here. I'll get you. Okay. Let's pick a winner. I've got the video here and the URL. I've got 38 comments here. So let's hit start.
Yeah. You want the drum roll?
No drum roll. No.
How about the bell?
Not yet. You got to wait till your winner. Paul Porter, ForeignMRE.com, and he wrote Art P. But his channel it's R. It should be Paul R.
Paul Porter.
Yeah, Paul.
But the good news about this is we're going to have another contest video coming up. So Paul, you didn't win this time. But we appreciate you watching, and we have another video coming out really soon, probably within maybe next week, and there'll be another chance to win. So let's go to the next one.
Okay, let's pick another winner. Let's pick one. Okay, here we go.
I'm not going to do the drum roll. That was bad.
No drum roll because you jinxed it somehow. Well, there you go, Kevin Lake.
Yeah,
Kevin Lake. He wrote Art E. Yay! Kevin! He gets the bell! He gets confetti! Yay! Well, congratulations, Kevin. What does he have to do?
He has to eat the MRE. Okay, Kevin. What we need you to do is send us a personal message either to the YouTube channel or send us an email, art@ForeignMRE.com. Give us the address that you want the prize sent to, and as soon as we get that information, we'll get it out to you. We like to limit these to about 3 days. So, if it's 4 days or 5 days, that's okay. But if it goes on for a week or 2 weeks, not so good. So we need that as soon as possible. So are we giving another one away? What have we done?
Well, I just said that we were going to give away one.
One?
Yeah.
Well, let's ask the YouTube audience. Y'all want another giveaway?
They can't hear.
I heard them.
You heard them?
Yeah, they're chanting another one.
Push the button. Push the button.
Yeah.
Okay. So, Kevin Lake is our first winner.
Yeah. Did you write that down? Because
let me write it down.
We're old and we'll have to go back and watch the video. And
Okay.
all right. Congratulations to Kevin Lake. We're going to do one more so that Nina can feel like the elf again. All right. Who do we have?
drum roll.
No drum roll.
And you're not eligible. Dan Hamayi. Art, I think Bridgeford makes the cinnamon buns for the British and Norwegian rations.
That's great information, Dan, but that's not...
We needed Art I. So we'll pick another one.
Wah, 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 wah. Something like that.
Something like that.
Okay. But Dan, you make sure you enter the next contest. Okay. What'd you say last time? Winner.
Winner, chicken dinner.
Yeah. Whoa, John. John writes a book.
Let's see.
Read it off. John wants to hear
I've
you
had
read.
some of these mains I've liked. Also have had some I tasted for 3 days later. LOL. I hope you luck out, friends. If you were in France, LOL. You two work together in these videos, as I am sure you do in real life. Salt in the water does help sometimes on older FRHs, but no guarantee. That was a good heater. I can tell even if you had not added salt. Good sides and accessory, friends. Hint on the red pepper salt put into palm of your hand. Then I'm looking for, I see it. Look.
Art 2 right there.
Art 2. John Mangum. Winner, chicken dinner. Congratulations. Yay!
Okay, John. John, you know the drill. Send us a personal message on our YouTube channel.
John's a good friend to Foreign MRE and to us. I think I got his address, but if he would just acknowledge that he saw his name, we'll get this out to him.
Yeah, but what if John doesn't watch this then?
You told me last time John watches all of our videos.
Yeah, but if he doesn't watch it, he can't win. So, John, you've got to watch this. Let me go through I've been practicing my lines for a week.
Oh, okay, gotcha.
Okay, John. So we need a personal message from you with your address, or send us an email, art@info.com, and we'll get your
art at info. How about art@ForeignMRE.com?
Yeah, that one too.
I thought you said you were practicing.
I lied. Okay, John. So art@ForeignMRE.com. We have your address. Just acknowledge it. We'll get it out to you as soon as possible.
Okay, and thanks to everyone for participating.
What else you got?
That's all I got. That's it.
Okay, until the next video, which should be out next week, and then I guess maybe next weekend we'll
be going live.
Oh yeah, I forgot about the live. Well, if we do a video and we have a contest,
we could probably still do the giveaway. Yeah.
Can we do a giveaway on live?
Yeah, we could do that.
Okay. Well, you got a deal. Well, I'll see you there then.
All right, that's a date.
Yeah.
And as always,
you can get your fresh discounted ration.
Where?
I didn't say you got to give. I've been practicing my
from North
lines.
Korea.
No.
Oh, okay.
From ForeignMRE.com. No North Korean.
Oh, okay. I'm trying to help Nathan. I'm trying to hook him up.
But the North Korean ones have squid.
Oh, okay.
Not helping Nathan.
I'm not helping. I'm
okay,
sorry,
guys.
Nathan.
Thanks for watching.
Bye-bye.
Please like the video, subscribe to our channel, follow us on Instagram, like us on Facebook, and leave us some comments. Thanks to Nina for working the camera. Thanks for watching.